Hello, I've got this junk. It's cracked, yellowed, damaged, and not working. Thankfully it turns on, but doesn't work. I can't play anything on it and I assume it's a problem reading the cartridge. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna open it, clean it, and making sure we'll read the game cartridge, so I'm pretty confident we'll be working. First of all, I'm gonna disassemble the console. There are 6 gambit screws and I'm using a gambit screwdriver. One here, another one here, 2 screws in the middle, and 2 more screws here. I have a separate video where I fully disassemble and clean the Super Nintendo, so that may be helpful regarding how to disassemble and assemble the console unit. Once opened, I'm using a Phillips screwdriver to completely remove every single part inside the console. Looking at the motherboard, here I see some rust and corrosion. At the back, everything looks right. I assume here is the problem. On the other side, I see nothing wrong with the motherboard. I remove this connector so I can clean everything. I'm pretty sure here is the problem for not reading the cartridge. Firstly, I'm using some rubbing alcohol. I'm making sure the pins will put enough pressure so everything will be properly connected. If everything is clean, I'm quite sure the console's gonna read the cartridge. Now I assemble the parts just for testing. As it is, should be enough for checking the slot. The console turns on, and as we can see, it reads the cartridge. Yeah, the game is fully working. Now I'm gonna assemble the console and check with more different games. I assemble the console, I swap the cartridge, and let's see how it runs. Yeah, it's perfectly working. One more testing. Absolutely no problem. So I would say the console is perfectly working. Few hours ago, just a junk, and few hours later, a fully working Super Nintendo. Wish you a great day. Happy gaming.